An obsession with heritage timber windows is a curious thing. It comes from knowing we have a responsibility to amplify the joys of owning a heritage property and minimize the frustrations. It is about finding new ways to combine craftsmanship with innovation to restore and protect the UK's most beautiful buildings. And it's about the precision, fastidiousness, and expertise that enable us to create bespoke solutions that enhance your building's character. No matter the property, no matter the complexity, our obsession means you don't have to settle for anything less than perfection. So perfect, in fact, we don't expect you to see the difference. Just feel it.